Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Today I am going to show a simple and basic code for all the Arduino beginners, those who want to learn Arduino programming. And today's code will be very easy and everyone can do it, anyone can do it. So for this we need the Arduino IDE software and this ISS 7 Professional, this is also called Proteus 7 for simulating the Arduino. Actually I'm using this software for simulating the Arduino IDE, means for simulating the thing that I make, that I want to make. So suppose here if you go to P means peak device, see there is Arduino and Nano, SMD and all are here. So the procedure of using this Proteus 7 is Arduino is very sensitive. So if anyone gives any wrong connections in real life, the Arduino boards get damaged. Even I have also damaged one or more than one Arduino boards because of wrong connections. So this can be used for safety. Before making it physically, make it here. It will be safe for you and safe for money also, saving your money also. So I have given the description. In the description, I have given the video link of these two softwares how to download it. So you can see it from there and download it. And my video that I gave on downloading this one is for 32-bit computer. And there is a correction. I will send it through a video. I will make a video on that for 64-bit. So let's write the code first. So I will open now Arduino. Arduino is so easy to write, and so at first I will go to new and it does all the things from here. Okay, now at first we will have to write int. Now you will be thinking, what is int? Actually int means integer. Suppose many of you have taken when you do math, you have taken suppose x equal to y, x equal to x, like this. So here I said you that we want to turn off means we want to blink a LED. So the LED is the integer, means LED is the subject. So we will have to write here LED, int LED, and give equal to 7. Or suppose when I take Arduino, equal Arduino. So see, there are some pins 0 to 13 and these are called digital pins. See, it is written digital, and the pins where which minus sign like minus is given, these are called PWM. By this we can control a brushless motor, a servo motor like this. So these are called digital pins. So from here, one of the pins you can use for turning on the LED and off the LED. So suppose I am using 5 number pin, okay, pin number 5. So I will write here int LED equal to 5 and at last give semicolon. It is a common rule for Arduino. It is must. If you don't give it, then the Arduino will see it wrong. So now go down. Now we have taken the integer, so it's finished. Now we will have to write void setup, then give first bracket and then go down, give second bracket and give enter. Another one will automatically come. Now we will in void setup we will have to declare which pin mode, means S. Okay, let me show you. LED. I will take a blue LED. So I write LED blue. Take this and bring the red here. So this is the cathode and this is the anode of the, means this is the plus and this is the minus. So I said that here I will take 5 number pin. So I will have to connect the 5 number pin with LED plus, and the ground you can go to here and ground. So according to my code, the system will be like that. Means I said to the Arduino that Arduino turn on the light for 1 second or 2 seconds or 5 seconds like this, and turn off the light for 1 second. Means the LED will turn off for 1 second and turn on for 1 second like this automatically, no need to switch anything. So as this one is the output means the Arduino is giving an output to this wire to the light. If it was a sensor, then the sensor would give something output, then the Arduino will receive the output. But here it is the output for the LED. It is not input. If it was a sensor, then the sensor if the sensor senses anything, then the sensor will give a input to the Arduino. And the sensor will give output, and the Arduino will receive it. But in this case, the Arduino is giving output to the LED. So here we will have to write PIN. The M will be in capital letter O D E, pin mode. If you want, then you can write here LED. If I write LED, no problem. If I write pin number 5, as I given LED equals to 5, no problem. P5 LED. Okay, I write LED. Then as I said you, this is the output. The LED is the output. So we will have to write here OUT output. The whole letter will be in capital letter. Now end the first bracket, give a semicolon. Now our word setup is also finished. Hope you are liking this programming. So it is quite easy to understand. If you see the whole video clearly, then you will understand it. Now we will go for void loop. Do the same void loop. Actually void loop, no need to give a semicolon after this. Okay, now give. Okay, actually void setup is to declare the pin mode and other things, to declare RCD blah 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 like this. And in void loop, if we write anything, then the Arduino will continue doing this. Means I said you that we will turn on the LED for 1 second and turn off the LED for 1 second. If you write it here, then it will the void loop will help the Arduino to turn it on and off again. Means it will do it again and again. So here we will have to write digital digital write. You will be thinking why I have written digital write. Actually, see, I have given one of its pins in digital pins. So called digital pins 0 to 13. So okay, think about you. When you read anything, then you can write. If you don't read anything, you can write, isn't it? If you read any paragraph from the book, then you can write it. If you don't read it, then you can write it. So the Arduino is reading the LED, and in void loop I have said pin mode LED output. Means the Arduino has already read the LED is the output, so it's done. Now he will have to digitally write. He have already read it, and now he will have to digitally write this pin number 5 for Arduino. That's why I have written digitally write. Digital will be small letter and W will be in capital letter RIT, and like this. Now give a first bracket again. Digital write. You can write here 7. 5. You can write here 5 also, LED also. So I will write LED. As it will turn on for 1 second, I will give HIGH, high. It will be in capital letter and give a semicolon. Now go down. Now we will have to write that, okay, digital write LED high. Now we will have to write that it will turn on for 1 second. So the second time will be written in this format, DELAY, delay means time. Okay, after delay give a first bracket, and okay, normally we write 1 second or 2 seconds for this. I am saying that we will turn it for 1 second and turn off it for 1 second, but we can write here 1 second or 2 seconds. We have to write in milliseconds. We know that 1 second equals to 1000 milliseconds. So if you want to turn it for 1 second, then give 1000. If 2 seconds, give 2000. So I will turn it for 1 second, then so 1000. It will understand that it is for 1 second. Now again go down. Now according to the code, the LED will turn on for 1 second. Now we will have to turn it for 1 second. Turn off it for 1 second. Okay? Now again go digital write. It will be same. Just LED equal to low. Means high means the Arduino will give a high voltage to this, and low means it will take the voltage. So we will write low, and now for how much time it will turn off? For 1 second. Align right 1 second, 1000. If you want, then you can give 2 seconds or 3 seconds, means 2000, 3000 like this. So now the code is done. Now we will have to just compile it, verify it. If you want to save, then you will get the name. It's compiling. Okay, now it's compiled. Now in some videos we see that some people do like this. They go come here and see it's a hex file. And let me show you how to build a hex file. Without having a hex file, you can run the program here. So for making a hex file, you will have to go at the corner, file, go to preference. I hope you can see that there are two things I have already tick marked: compilation and upload. These two should be tick marked. In some of your compilers, this should would not be tick marked, so tick it and give OK. Now if you compile it, then the hex file will be created here. As you can see, it's a hex file. Sorry, it's yeah, this one is a hex file. Sometimes we see that some people copy this hex file from there and bring it here, and it works. But in some computer it doesn't. Yes, it works. I'm not saying that it is fake. It works in some computer. So how to work it in the computer where it doesn't work? So for that you would need to go to the Windows, search run, enter it. After typing run, you will have to write here %.tmp 10 %.temp%. Give OK. Now if you search here server.hex, see, it will easily find this. As I have saved this with a name, it is a sketch, it will be saved here. So I just need to copy it and go to Arduino Proteus, come here and see, this is my last project, so I will just paste it here. Okay, now it's paste, click on it, give OK. Now if we play it, see, 1 second, see, the light is turning on for 1 second, turning off for 1 second. So this was the first tutorial for all the Arduino beginners. If you want, then you can download the Arduino and Proteus from my video description. Actually, this Proteus 7 Professional, I gave it for only 32-bit. Today I will make a video for 64-bit. There is only a small correction. So until then, please stay home, please stay safe, and goodbye. See you in the next video. Thank you.